Well, it's no myth that women are generally paid less than men.
That's right. Today is Equal Pay Day for women. MT10 News' Jayana Scurry joins us now with more on the gender pay gap.
Women are tired of being paid less for the same jobs as their male co-workers. Equal Pay Day is being celebrated to recognize the gender pay gap between men and women.
Equal pay for women has just here in recent years become a national issue all across the country. There has starting to be movements for legislation to be passed so that it can be transparent how much people are being paid.
Every generation of working women has experienced the pay gap. In Tennessee, women who are working full-time are only making 81% of what their male counterparts are making.
We should get paid the same amount. I have been in that situation. I do have a full-time job, and I know my male, co-workers pay, and it is higher than mine, and I feel like it's so unfair because I have more work experience.
The American Association of University Women, AAUW, has been partnering with other MTSU organizations for equal pay awareness events and forums, mostly being held at the Ingram Building. According to the National Women's Law Center, American women who work full-time are only paid 79 cents for every dollar paid to men. And for women of color, the pay gap is even larger.
The earnings of women of color, African American women, the earnings ratio is much lower. It's 63 cents on the dollar. And when you look at Latina women, it's 54 cents on the dollar.
Events have taken place today all over America for Equal Pay Day. For MT10 News, I'm Jayana Scurry.
Thanks, Jayana. To get more involved, the Murfreesboro AAUW is having a branch meeting this Thursday at the MTSU Sam Ingram Building from 5 to 7 p.m.